This 6-long iPhone charging cable provides a fast charge from any basic USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone. Our power cord is also compatible with iPad Air, Pro, Mini, and other devices using an 8-pin Apple Lightning connector head. The Lightning cable from TalkWorks is designed exclusively for Apple and is rigorously tested and approved under the MFI certifications to ensure your smartphone and other electronics are safe from overheating or short-circuiting. Featuring a high-grade cable covering, this long-lasting iPhone charger cord can endure up to 25,000 lifetime bends without losing its shape. Strict testing ensures protection for your devices while using integrated circuit protection and maximum reinforcement to ensure internal wiring is guarded, and MFI certification ensures your iPhone is charged and synced. The durable connector heads provide a sturdy connection for everyday use, and offer a superior phone data sync. With a fast charge experience, this durable charging Lightning cable is built to last and will be there when you need to plug in. TalkWorks offers tech accessories that make lives easier and more enjoyable. Our products include phone charging accessories, charging cables, power banks, and gaming accessories like cases, screen protectors, comfort grip controllers, carrying cases, Joy-Con charging docks, steering wheels, and tennis rackets. Top reviews from the United States. A good charger. It's a good charger, that's all I really have to say. I have had it for months and it hasn't broke yet and it's long enough.